my channel with another YouTube video. This is Kirsten Zelaya. And in today's video, I will be unboxing and opening all these packages that I have. But I want to start with just a few ones that I have right now. Let's jump right into the video. Guys, so the first thing that I'm going to open is this Amazon package. I ordered this. I don't even know. It doesn't say delivery date, but it's been like a month or two. I ordered 2 scales. I am in my healthy girl era. That's so cute. It's so cute. And it came with the batteries. And then I did get myself a regular bathroom scale. Bring a little knife. Now this is gonna motivate me even more because I'm like, I have my stuff. I've just been slacking. Ooh, I felt a cut. Alright. I'm gonna put this one in my bathroom. Cute. I can link these on Amazon, like I said. Very cheap for both. If you're wanting to start your diet or start like your healthy journey, definitely recommend these. Next, which one am I open? Okay, I'll open this one. This package is from Sephora. I ordered this like my G-suit. Totally forgot that I had ordered my G-suit. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, no. It's my G-suit hair oils. Look at it. Oh, that's so... I'm so ready to use it. Ah! Totally forgot about that. Okay, next, I believe this one I ordered from Temu. By the way, if you like to order, you know, small little things like for your car, for your apartment, your office, off Temu, definitely use the link. I will be posting it. That way you can get nice deals as well. Oh, it's a waffle maker. I forgot that I got one. Now I need to make myself some waffles. You know what I'm gonna make myself this weekend? Waffles. Off Temu, y'all. And I'll link the price and everything. For waffles. Okay, period. Good purchases. I'm loving it. Down to 2 more. Oh my god, look at all these packages. I don't know if I should do this one or this one. Okay, I'll do this. This one says it's coming from California. Oh, and they wrapped this like in gold. Stuff. This has been a long time. I ordered this like before I even moved out. I'm telling you, I've been having these packages like way before. Wow. Okay, I'm so excited to see it. Oh, it's the little minis that I ordered. That's so cute. I ordered some minis. That's so cute. Definitely cute for my collection. Alright. Last package. Now this one's like... Oh, shoot. Look at that. The knife just broke. Throw this out. Oh, good, so harsh on it too. I broke it. Luckily, it did not cut me. They take this like crazy. My dog's little cute ball. Let Perla. Your little notebook. Come here. Man. Come here. Why are you so scared? I got you a cute little new ball. I love it. That's pretty cute. Yo, I totally forgot about this. The pink bathroom mat set. Oh, okay. So it's all of the 3. The toilet one, actual matte, and then the other small one. By the way, I got like a color pink. Well, honestly, I don't know what happened here because it looks like purple. Okay, moving on. My box is open. This package has gone through hell. Oh yes, I got my cute LED light. Oh, I can do my nails because the other one I had broke. Again, this package is from Temu, so again, use my code, use my links. Use it. That way you can get a oh my god, I totally forgot I got this, y'all. I was gonna order another one too. Oh my god. So I have this long pillow in my bed, and it's like a cover for it. And it's cute in little ruffles. Okay, I got 2 more things in here. Y'all. Oh my god. This cute little makeup bag. I forgot. I ordered it when I was in my cocaine era. Has cute little bows. Okay, cute. Oh my god, I totally forgot I ordered this one too. It's Super Micro Bubble Beauty Instrument. Apparently, like when you go get a spa, they use this on you and it takes out like all your pores and stuff. So I'll definitely be doing a little review over it to see if it actually works. I'm just gonna open it real quick just to see how it looks. I'm interested. I want to know how it looks. Oh wow, it comes with like the full thing. So apparently you put water in this little bottom part, and you're gonna be seeing how all your like oils excrete in this clear bottle. So I'm gonna have to try it and definitely record a little YouTube video to test it out. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up. Again, my social media will be in the description box down below. Use all the links. I'll see you guys next week, so stay tuned. Bye.